To convert WebP images to JPG images is quite easy and simple. Whether you are on Windows or Mac, the process is the same. So here you can see in the downloads, I have multiple WebP images. And to convert that, you just need to open up any browser. In my case, I will open up the Chrome browser. And once that is open, you need to go to this URL, iloveconverting.com slash image tools slash convert WebP to JPG. I will also paste this in the YouTube description so you can click on that as well. This is the most simple tool that I have found online, and to make it work, just go and click on here. And the best thing is that you can select multiple images. There is no size limit, so you can select whatever you want to. Just go and select it, click on open, wait for a while, it is converting, and here it is converted within seconds. So truly you can convert WebP to JPG in seconds. Now you can download them one by one, or you can download them all as well. So if you click on download this, you can see it is converted image and it is JPG. And if I open it, here you can see it is open. You can also go and click on download all, and if you go, you can see it is now a zip file, and you can see all the images are within the zip file and they are JPG images. You can see here. So it is quite simple, and it is the best tool that I have found. So I will paste this link in the description. You can click on that and enjoy converting WebP to JPG in seconds. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.